Hey, what's going on everyone, this is Reviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys 5 simple tricks that will help you charge your iPhone twice as fast. Normally charging an iPhone from 0 to 100% will take you way more than an hour, even close to 2 hours. But of course, having the right configuration on your iPhone and having the right tools to charge your iPhone will make your iPhone charge really fast. So in this video, I will show you guys what you need and what you can do to charge your iPhone twice as fast. Now, first of all, when it comes to charging your iPhone, of course, the main thing will be the cable and the charger that you use. Now, here are some things that you need to clarify and you need to know. First of all, to charge your iPhone faster with the fast charging of iOS, well, basically with the fast charging feature of iPhones, you will need to have a newer iPhone than the iPhone 8. And you will need to have a USB Type-C to Lightning cable or USB-C for the newer iPhones. So if you have like the normal USB Type-A to Lightning, it won't work. Even though you might have the right charger, the cable won't work. And when it comes to chargers, to charge your iPhone with the fast charging feature, which should charge your iPhone at about 50% in 30 minutes, probably it will be even faster, you will need to have the right charger. Now, when it comes to the right charger, you might just be wasting your money if you're buying something like this right here. Now, I used this a few times. This is the charger of my MacBook Pro, and this right here, if you take a look, it says 96 watts. Well, this is designed for the MacBook, but it will also charge the iPhone. But the problem here is that the iPhone has the capability which is limited to 25 watts in this case for this iPhone right here, which is the 15 Pro Max. It won't charge faster than 25 watts. So even if I have bought this charger, which will cost you around 100 bucks, you're just wasting your money because you would be good to go and it would be the same speed even if you have a cheaper 30-watt charger. So any charger above 20 watts will work with fast charging. But of course, if you want to get the maximum for the iPhone 15 Pro Max, you will need to have a 25-watt charger or faster. Of course, you can check your device at which maximum speed of charging it does have. Just Google it. Let's say you have an iPhone 11, just Google iPhone 11 maximum charging speed and it will show you how many watts it does support. That way you can know which charger you need to buy in order to get the maximum charging speed out of your iPhone and not waste money on chargers. And once you have your charger figured out, let's say you got the charger that you need for your iPhone and the right cable, now you can get the maximum speed of charging on your iPhone. But as you know, the iPhones are always consuming battery. Even while they're charging, they're still consuming battery, and if you're doing something like, let's say, a heavy task on it, it will actually drain battery while still charging, so it will slow down the charging speed. So you might want to have the right configuration on your iPhone in order to charge as fast as possible. So the next trick would be to use low power mode while charging your iPhone. Now, of course, you can enable low power mode from the control center or your settings, but you don't want to have to do that manually every time you're trying to charge your iPhone. Now, the way to go is by creating an automation which will enable this feature on your iPhone every time you plug in your device to charge. So you simply go to the Shortcuts app, and here under automations you tap new automation, and then you will have the charger here. So there you have charger. Choose here when connected and then tap on run immediately. Tap the next button and search here on new blank automation, search for low power mode. So there you have set low power mode. So you tap on it, it's on right there, so you leave it like that and tap the done button. Now what you have done, you have created this basically feature which will automatically invoke the low power mode once your iPhone is plugged in and charging. But what you want to do here is create another one, but you will do the opposite now. So you go again here to the charger and you select disconnected, and you select this one and you select disconnected right there. Of course, run immediately. So now once you disconnect your device, it will automatically disable the low power mode, so you don't have to use your iPhone on low power mode or have to actually turn it off manually. So again, here search for low power mode, and then we have low power mode. Tap on it, and then where it says on, just tap there and turn it into off, click the done button, and now you're good to go. You have created here an automation. Let me just try this. So as you can see right now, we have created the automation, and once I plug in my device to charge here, it should invoke the low power mode automatically. And there we go. As you can see, the iPhone is now on low power mode. Once I disconnect my device, it should turn off the low power mode as well. And there you go, it has now turned off the low power mode. Now, another thing that does actually work, and it has a lot of impact, is also the airplane mode. Now, I wouldn't suggest that you do this every time you plug in your device to charge or create an automation for this, but just turn it on manually whenever you need to really fast charge your iPhone. So if you have just a few minutes to charge your iPhone and you want to get the maximum battery on your iPhone, make sure to turn on airplane mode. Now this seems to be like just a little trick, but your seller has a lot to do with battery. It does consume a ton of battery, especially if you're using 5G or you're in an area where the coverage is not that good. It will just drain the battery out of your iPhone. So every time you need to quickly charge your iPhone as fast as possible and get as much battery as possible into your iPhone, just turn on the airplane mode. Now again, when you try to charge your iPhone really fast and have as much battery on your iPhone as possible, don't use your iPhone. I know there's no problem using your iPhone while charging, but it doesn't do any damage to your iPhone, but it will consume battery and that way make your iPhone charge really slow. Now, maybe it's hard to notice while doing it, but it does have an impact. Now, I've noticed the same on my Mac here. Once I have it plugged in and charging and I may be rendering a video, it will stay like that, maybe rendering for like 20 minutes, but the battery will charge probably 2 or 3%, while in a normal state, it will actually charge probably like 20 or 30% during that time. So in the iPhone is the same, especially if you're maybe playing a game or doing like some heavy tasks on your iPhone, editing something, it will consume battery that way, slowing down the charge of your iPhone. Now, as I said at the beginning of the video, using the right cables and the right chargers for your iPhone will make your iPhone charge really fast. So as I said, the maximum for the iPhone 15 Pro here is 25 watts, which means that your iPhone will charge quite fast. But the last trick is to always use the cable and the charger to fast charge and never use the wireless charging. Now, wireless charging will heat up the device a lot. That way it will have also a really big impact on the battery health of your iPhone. Not if you do it once or twice, but if you regularly wireless charging your iPhone, you will notice that the maximum capacity here will start dropping way faster than doing it with a cable and a charger. And again, the wireless charging doesn't have the same speed as, of course, the cable charging. It will have the maximum speed at 15 watts. So that's almost half of what you get with a charger and the cable. You cannot charge faster on any iPhone than 15 watts with wireless charging. So if you're trying to charge your iPhone as fast as possible, always go for the charger and the cable and never for wireless charging. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. These are 5 tips and tricks that will help you charge your iPhone twice as fast. I use this on daily basis and I always charge my iPhone really fast. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If you did, smash the like button, of course, subscribe for more videos, and I will see you on the next one.